The idea behind 5 Reasons People Succeed at Easy and Fast Fluffy Pancakes recipe is to provide insights into why certain individuals are successful at making fluffy pancakes quickly and easily. Here are the possible reasons behind their success. The idea behind 5 Reasons People Succeed at Easy and Fast Fluffy Pancakes. Quality ingredients *. Successful pancake makers understand the importance of using high-quality ingredients. They choose fresh eggs, high-protein flour, baking powder, and quality milk, which all contribute to the fluffiness and flavor of the pancakes. They choose fresh eggs, high-protein flour, baking powder, and quality milk. Proper mixing technique *. They know how to mix the pancake batter just enough to combine the ingredients without overmixing. Overmixing can result in tough pancakes, so they mix until the batter is just barely combined, leaving some lumps for fluffy texture. 3. Correct cooking temperature *. They ensure that the griddle or frying pan is preheated to the right temperature before pouring the batter. This ensures even cooking and a golden brown exterior while maintaining a fluffy interior. 3. Correct cooking temperature *. They ensure that the griddle or timing and patience *. Successful pancake makers understand the importance of patience and timing. They know when to flip the pancakes, usually when bubbles start forming on the surface and the edges look set. Flipping too early or too late can affect the final texture and appearance of the pancakes. Flipping too early or too late can affect the final texture and appearance of the practice and experience *. Like any skill, making perfect pancakes takes practice. Successful pancake makers have likely experimented with different recipes, techniques, and cooking times to find what works best for them. With experience, they develop an intuition for when the pancakes are ready and how to adjust the recipe or technique for optimal results. By understanding and implementing these key factors, people can succeed in making easy and fast fluffy pancakes that are sure to impress.